How to download all Facebook information. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Open the option settings. You will land to the settings and privacy page. Now scroll down. Over here you're going to find different sections. Under your information section, you will find the option of download your information option. Open it. Click on continue. Now you have to click on this option of request a download. From here you can select your Facebook page as well and then click on next. You'll get two options, complete copy and select types of information. You can click on this option of select types of information. Now here you're going to find different options. You can download all of these. All you have to do is click on this option of select all. Click on next. After your file is ready, you will be notified through your email address that is linked with your Facebook account. Click on the option of format. You can select the format type. Likewise, click on media quality. You can set it to high, medium or low. Now click on the option of date range. You can select the date range. Once you are done, click on save. Now click on submit request. After you submit your request, you will be notified through the email address that is linked with your Facebook account after your file is ready. So this is how you can download all information of your Facebook account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.